Right.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. My question is to the Treasurer. Treasurer, how is everyone contributing now to help build future prosperity for all Australians?
I call the Honourable the Treasurer.
Well, I thank the honourable member for the question. It is so important that we ask Australians to contribute now, and we do so because I understand it's a bit of an old Irish saying, you fix the roof while the sun is shining. And in this case, we have $667 billion of debt. If we don't start the process now of trying to ensure that we never get to that level, then the pain associated with dealing with it in a few years' time is going to be far greater. So we've been very upfront with the Australian people in asking them to pay a temporary budget repair levy on incomes above $180,000. We believe it is only fair that everyone contribute. It is also the case that we are asking Australians to pay for indexation in their fuel excise, and if they do that, if they contribute that excise, in law we are going to actually hypothecate it to road funding, which is going to substantially increase into the future. In fact, on roads in this budget we're spending well in excess of an additional $11 billion on roads, and the total excise increase would be the equivalent of just over $2 billion.
So
there's something that we understand that I'm afraid our political opponents don't, and that is, if you want to spend money today, you should raise the money today. If you want to spend the money today, you should do everything you can to raise the money today. And one of the challenges is that our political opponents, they didn't do that. They didn't do that. They spent in excess of $14 billion out of assumed revenue from the mining tax that raised hardly any money. So what happens? Well, the government goes and borrows from the next generation in order to pay for handouts like the school kids bonus. Those sort of things Labor is still defending, even though we have to borrow money to pay for them. So you see, they don't understand. They don't understand. If you want to be responsible, and if you want to be responsible across the generations, it is the duty of everyone here to ensure that when we spend money, we raise money, and we don't go down the path of continuing to borrow money that at the end of the day our children are going to have to repay.